Today I told you and that I will take exercise 8. In exercise 8, you should take out uh, main form of verb like ana azuruka wa anta la tazuruni, है ना. तो underline it and you have to write its original sigha. So original sigha I think you know very well. As I explained कि यकूलु was yakvulu, है ना. yakvulu, what it was, can you tell me? yakvulu, because on the pattern of yansuru. So when you are making fele muzara, so you will see that fa kalma will be sakin always after adding harfe muzara. After harfe muzara, when you are adding harfe muzara, so um, fa kalma will be sakin. yaf alu yansuru yasmau. So always fa kalma will be sakin, and ain kalma and lam kalma will be mutaharrik. Lam kalma will have zamma if any harf nasib or jazim is not there. Lam kalma will have zamma, will be rafa condition. Fi'l muzara will be marfu if any harf nasib and jazim is not coming, so it will be naf'alu, nansuru. But in ajwaf you will find that ain kalma is fa kalma is mutaharrik and ain kalma is sakin. Reason is that कि ain kalma is harf illat, so it is not correct that harf illat will be mutaharrik and before any harf sahih will be sakin. It is not correct, because there will be, when we will read, so it will be a jerk there, है ना. yaqulu, it is not found, fluency is not found, that's why. So you have to write azuru, it was azvuru. What it was? azvuru, है ना, like that. yatufu, taqwulina. So you have to write their original form, है ना, and show how the harkat is transferred, as that day I have shown you on board. Who is doing this? Who started doing? This summa will be transferred here and then it will be sakin, and now form will be azuru. Yes, it will be same as it was yaqulu, taqulu. Done? Have done? Someone is asking about exercise 6 and 7. About exercise 6, I told you were not in class. I told you that you have to write gardan, and I explained fi'l muzara gardan. In only two sigas I told you that there is a change. This is yaqulna and taqulna. Ijtimai from ijtimai sakinain, harf illat will be omitted. So it will be yaqulna taqulna. So I told you that you have to write exercise 7 is right, is gardan of conjugation of Yakumu and Yatufu. I told you to write too many gardans. I told Yatubu also. Said to Yatubu, Yasubu. 5 gardans were there. I told you to write. Yesterday you have written or not written? Tell me that. Have written gardan? Someone is asking. So you have written, na? Shaima and Nabiha are telling that they have written, but I'm asking all others. They have written or not? And why they haven't written if they haven't written so? Eh? If it is not done, so why it is not done, you have to tell me. It is not fine, na, कि I am giving homework and you are not doing. Now school life is going to start and you all have to submit your work there. Understand? I want to check your copies there. How much work is done, you have to submit there. Now it is clear, my voice is coming. Yesterday I explained about Felemazi and Fulemuzara both day before yesterday. You are saying tomorrow? So tomorrow the period was not there. No, will not be there. Yesterday, that day before yesterday, I explained Felemazi and Felemuzara both. Now do quickly exercise 8. है ना? Do quickly exercise 8. Have done? Read one sentence, one by one. Read sentence and translate it. After that, you have to pick out the verb and write its original form. Now you start. Boys, from boys, anyone? Yasser is there? Yasser? Yasser. What is your name? Now open. Unmute your mic. Yes. Fidian is there? Fidian is in class or not? Fidian is there in class. I think you have joined. Why are not answering? Fidian. Read first sentence and translate it. And its original Sighat I told. Tazurini is left. You have to tell about it. Do quickly. Fidian. What happened? Voice is not coming. You read and do it. Shema. Hmm. Hmm. Tazuruni. It will be tazuruni. Yes. Zara yazuru. Tazurni is there or tazuruni. Fidian, you are reading. Tazuruni. Tazuruni. Yes. Zara Yazuru, what is the to Z. So now do translation, do quickly. I with not visited because it is fele muzara. I visit you. Wa anta la tazuruni, and you does not or did not. Does not. How did not? Because it is fele. Is it fele masi or it is fele muzara? And you do not or you do not visit me. Yes. Now the next one. You do not. Did not will not come. You do not is visit me. Yes, next one. Too quickly. Next one. Afira is not there. Tazuru. Azuro to I told. Azuro to I told. Tazuru. You should tell Tazuru. Tazuru. Okay, do quickly.